Satya Sarathi Mohanty, who is emerging as a front runner in Balikuda Erasama Bhubaneswar seat. Satya Sarathi Mohanty, a young, energetic and dynamic entrepreneur, is rapidly emerging as the front runner for the Balikuda Erasama Assembly seat. Hailing from Sangrampur village in Balikuda block, this 38-year-old Bharatiya Janata Party candidate is gaining widespread popularity in the constituency as a true son of the soil. Satya has achieved remarkable success on a national level as an industrialist in the hospitality sector at a relatively young age, which greatly enhances his credibility among the local population. His clean image, agile personality, gentle behavior, affable appearance, disciplined approach, hardworking attitude, helpful mindset, down-to-earth nature, empathetic outlook, and pro-poor stance are all qualities that resonate strongly with the voters of the constituency. The people of the constituency appreciate Satya Sarathi Mohanty's dedication to their welfare and his commitment to uplifting the community. With his impressive track record and genuine approach, Satya is poised to bring positive change and development to Balikuda Erasama. Coming from an illustrious family background, Sri Mohanty has deep roots in public service and leadership. His grandfather, the renowned freedom fighter, late Parsuram Mohanty, and his uncle Rabi Ray, a veteran leader and former Speaker of Lok Sabha, have left a lasting legacy of service and dedication to the nation. Drawing upon his family's rich heritage and widespread goodwill, Satya has entered the electoral arena in 2024. His rural upbringing has endowed him with a profound understanding of the community's challenges and potential solutions at the grassroots level. This first-hand knowledge positions Mr. Mohanty as a candidate who is deeply connected to the aspirations and needs of the people in Balikuda Erasama. Satya's commitment to public service, coupled with his family's legacy of leadership, underscores his resolve to make a meaningful impact in electoral politics. With a vision rooted in empathy and a keen awareness of local issues, Satya aims to leverage his experience and insights to serve the constituency effectively and bring about positive change. With a stellar academic background, Sri Mohanty's educational journey has been marked by outstanding achievements. He attended Belbana High School and Balikuda College, where he excelled academically. Satya further distinguished himself by obtaining a Bachelor of Commerce degree and a diploma in civil engineering with flying colors. Satya's success extends beyond academics into the realm of business. He has demonstrated exceptional talent and dedication as a highly successful businessman in the National Capital Region, particularly in Gurugram. Throughout his remarkable professional career, Satya has held prestigious positions such as Administrative Officer at CMS Group, Administrative Manager at Elantas Technologies, and Director of Real Estate firms like Hotland Base and JK Associates. One of Mr. Mohanty's most notable accomplishments in his role as a proud employer was providing full-time employment to over 450 families. He stood as a pillar of support for these families during the challenging times of the COVID-19 pandemic, demonstrating his commitment to the welfare of his employees and the community. Sri Mohanty epitomizes the progressive, positives, and practical new generation of entrepreneurs. His dedication, leadership, and contributions to both business and society reflect his unwavering commitment to driving meaningful change, and progress. Mr. Mohanty joined the Bharatiya Janata Party back in 2007 in Haryana and has since been dedicated to promoting the fundamental values, noble ideals, and lofty vision of the Saffron Party. His dynamic leadership has led to tangible transformations in strengthening the BJP within the Balikuda Erasama constituency. Satya's unwavering commitment to the party's principles and his efforts to connect with marginalized communities have positioned him as a beacon of hope for the Bharatiya Janata Party in the region. Many believe that the Bharatiya Janata Party will greatly benefit from Satya Mohanty's strategic actions, tireless devotion, and unwavering dedication. Satya's supporters are confident that under his capable and proactive leadership, the BJP is poised to make significant strides forward. His vision and proactive approach are expected to invigorate the party's presence and impact in the area, ultimately contributing to the advancement of its goals and objectives. Political analysts note that Mr. Mohanty's prospects of succeeding in his first electoral campaign in the Balikuda Erasama constituency are increasingly promising. With broad-based support and strong backing from all segments of society, including diverse communities and demographics, Sri Mohanty's candidacy is gaining momentum with each passing day. The widespread blessings and solid endorsements from various sections of the electorate reflect a growing confidence in Satya Sarthi Mohanty's leadership and vision for the constituency. As the campaign progresses, Satya's ability to connect with voters and address their concerns is enhancing his electoral viability. The positive momentum surrounding Satya Sarthi Mohanty's candidacy underscores anticipation and optimism among political observers regarding the outcome of the upcoming electoral battle in Balikuda Erasama. With continued support and engagement from constituents, Satya is poised to make a significant impact and potentially secure victory in the crucial electoral